Assalamu alaikum friends. I'll be walking and after the walk I'll give you the message. That was my brisk walk, and the message I wanted to give you is make a small house because you sleep for a few hours only. But if you want to live long, make a long path so that you are healthy. Cheers.